Hi everyone, today I bring you a Zulu tongue twister challenge. I'll start slow and then gradually increase my pace. Amaqoqo ayaxokozela exoxa ngoxamu exhibeni. 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 The frogs are talking loudly about the monitor lizard. Do you think you can try that and say it as fast as possible? Amaxoxo ayaxokozela exoxa ngoxamu exhibeni. So do try it out. Let's see how it goes. Ucele ucambalele ocansini ucabanga ngecebo lokuciba ucilo ngomcibisholo. Ucele ucambalele ocansini ucabanga ngecebo lokuciba ucilo ngomcibisholo. Ucele ucambalele ocansini ucabanga ngecebo lokuciba ucilo ngomcibisholo. Do you think you can try that? Okay, let me say it again and then it's gonna be your turn. Ucele ucambalele ocansini ucabanga ngecebo lokuciba ucilo ngomcibisholo. Ucele ucambalele ocansini ucabanga ngecebo lokuciba ucilo ngomcibisholo. So it's your turn now. Try it and let me know how it went. Now let's try this last one. Ingqeqebulane yaqaqela uqhoqhoqo. Uqhoqhoqo waqaqela iqaqa. Iqaqa laqalaza. Ingqebulane yaqaqela uqhoqhoqo. Uqhoqhoqo waqaqela iqaqa. Iqaqa laqalaza. Now let's try and do it faster. Ingqebulane yaqaqela uqhoqhoqo. Uqhoqhoqo waqaqela iqaqa. Iqaqa laqalaza. Ingqebulane yaqaqela uqhoqhoqo. Uqhoqhoqo waqaqela iqaqa. Iqaqa laqalaza. Do you think you can do this one? Okay, I'll give you a chance to try it and let me know how you did this one. Well, guys, we've come to the end of our video. Do you think you can say it faster than I did? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you on how you did it. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family, and then you can try and say it together and see who says it faster. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ngiyabonga.